Welcome to the future of hair care and hospitality with NovaSpark. NovaSpark have cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Customizable heat and speed settings, device with intelligent temperature control and a digital display. That ensures consistent results and real-time performance updates. Designed to reduce power consumption, supporting sustainability goals while lowering running costs. Smart sensors to analyzing hair type and condition to provide tailored blow-dry recommendations. Reduced frizz and shine is enhanced, leaving hair smooth and radiant. Voice control makes styling convenient, while safety alerts ensure a worry-free experience. Technology guarantees a quieter, more peaceful environment in hotel rooms and suites. NovaSpark isn't just a hair dryer, it's a luxurious, safe, and sustainable solution that sets a new standard in the hospitality industry. Elevate your guest experience with NovaSpark, where innovation and care meet in every detail.